Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for wellness insights. I'm your host, and today, we're delving into a critical topic, the health of our kidneys. You might not think about them often, but your kidneys play a crucial role in keeping your body in tip-top shape. Today, we're shedding light on 9 habits that could be silently wreaking havoc on your kidneys. Let's jump right in. Introduction. First things first. Why should we care about our kidneys? Well, these bean-shaped organs are like the unsung heroes of our bodies. They filter out waste, regulate fluid balance, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. But, unfortunately, some habits in our daily lives might be putting our kidneys under unnecessary stress. Habit 1. Insufficient hydration. Habit number 1. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration is like asking your kidneys to work overtime without giving them the tools they need. Water helps flush out toxins, so make sure you're sipping on that H2O throughout the day. Habit 2. Excessive salt intake. Habit number 2. Loading up on salt. Too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, putting strain on those hard-working kidneys. Let's shake off the excess salt and embrace a more kidney-friendly diet. Habit 3. Ignoring high sugar consumption. Habit number 3. Turning a blind eye to sugar intake. High sugar levels can contribute to diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Opt for natural sugars found in fruits and ditch those sugary drinks and processed snacks. Habit 4. Overindulging in processed foods. Habit number 4. Overindulging in processed foods. Those convenient, pre-packaged meals might be tasty, but they often come with a hefty dose of additives and preservatives that your kidneys could do without. Let's prioritize whole, fresh foods instead. Habit 5. Ignoring high-protein diets. Habit number 5. Not being mindful of your protein intake. While protein is essential, overloading on it, especially from animal sources, can put a strain on your kidneys. Strike a balance and choose a variety of protein sources. Habit 6. Holding in the urge to pee. Habit number 6. Holding it in when nature calls. Delaying a trip to the bathroom can lead to urinary tract infections and potential kidney issues. Listen to your body's signals and take those bathroom breaks. Habit 7. Excessive alcohol consumption. Habit number 7. Excessive alcohol consumption. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins, and alcohol is one of them. Keep those drinks in check to give your kidneys a break. Habit 8. Overusing painkillers. Habit number 8. Relying too heavily on painkillers. Non-prescription pain medications, when overused, can damage your kidneys over time. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if pain persists. Habit 9. Smoking. Last but certainly not least, habit number 9. Smoking. The harmful chemicals in tobacco can significantly impact your kidneys' ability to function. Kicking the smoking habit is not just good for your lungs but for your kidneys too. Understanding kidney function. Now that we've explored habits that can impact our kidneys, let's take a moment to understand the vital functions these organs perform. Your kidneys are like the body's master chemists, tirelessly working to filter out waste products and excess fluids from the blood. They help maintain a proper balance of electrolytes, regulate blood pressure, and ensure the production of red blood cells. Think of them as your body's natural filtration system, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Essential kidney function. Filtration. The primary function of the kidneys is filtration. They filter waste products, excess salts, and fluids from the blood, creating urine. This process helps maintain a healthy balance of essential substances in the body. Kidney function. Electrolyte balance. Electrolyte balance is crucial for overall health, and your kidneys play a key role in this. They regulate the levels of sodium, potassium, and other electrolytes, ensuring that your body functions properly. Kidney function. Blood pressure regulation. Kidneys also play a pivotal role in blood pressure regulation. They release an enzyme called renal, which helps control blood pressure by managing the balance of sodium and water in the body. Kidney function. Red blood cell production. Another essential function is the production of erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Healthy red blood cell levels are vital for delivering oxygen to your body's tissues. Tests for healthy kidneys. Now that we understand the critical functions of the kidneys, let's talk about how we can ensure they're working at their best. Regular kidney health checkups are crucial, and a few key tests can provide valuable insights. 1. Blood pressure measurement. Monitoring blood pressure is the first step. High blood pressure can be an indicator of kidney problems, so regular checks are essential. Aim for a blood pressure reading within the healthy range to support your kidney health. 2. Blood tests. Creatinine and blood urea nitrogen, BUN. Blood tests are vital for assessing kidney function. Measuring creatinine and blood urea nitrogen, BUN, levels can indicate how well your kidneys are filtering waste. Elevated levels may signal a potential issue that requires further investigation. 3. Urinalysis. A urinalysis involves analyzing a sample of your urine. This test can reveal the presence of protein, blood, or other abnormalities that may indicate kidney problems. It's a simple yet effective tool in assessing kidney health. 4. Glomerular filtration rate, GFR. The glomerular filtration rate, GFR, test calculates how efficiently your kidneys are filtering waste. A lower GFR may suggest reduced kidney function, prompting further evaluation. 5. Imaging tests, ultrasound and CT scan. In some cases, imaging tests like ultrasound or a CT scan may be recommended to get a visual assessment of the kidneys. These tests can help identify structural abnormalities or blockages. Conclusion. Regular monitoring and awareness of your kidney health are key to maintaining overall well-being. Remember, early detection and lifestyle adjustments can go a long way in preserving the health of these vital organs. If you haven't had a kidney checkup lately, consider scheduling one soon. Your kidneys will thank you. That concludes our in-depth look at kidney health. If you found this information valuable, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Spiffy for more insights into taking charge of your well-being. Until next time, take care of those kidneys, take care of yourself, and stay spiffy. Thanks for tuning in.